Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to pair Bluetooth speaker in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to pair this Bluetooth speaker in your phone, so as you can pair. And guys, now let's see how to pair it in Vivo phone. So first of all, open your phone setting. Then guys, click on Bluetooth and device. Guys, click on Bluetooth. Guys, on your Bluetooth, and guys, on your Bluetooth speaker. First button guys, first of all press, then guys, it will on. Guys, second option guys, you can see Bluetooth option. So guys, press. And guys, click on pair new device. So if we want to pair it, so guys, click here. And guys, you can see JBL. So guys, click. Guys, you can see that it's pairing. So it will pair in your Vivo phone guys. Then guys, you can use your Bluetooth speaker in Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to pair Bluetooth speaker in Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.